Hello everyone, this is Jeff from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 23rd of February intraday analysis. On this video, first we will share some news with you, then we will just go ahead with our charts. First of all, we will just go ahead with Russian and Ukraine conflict. So on this conflict, yesterday evening, President Biden made some speech. It was really short, just 10 minutes, and it wasn't enough for Republicans and also the other part of the government. It's not enough. The reason is they just said it's weak. What was it? It's just saying that it will be really hard to creditors of a global creditors by Russia. So no sanction of a banking industry, like now cutting its ties with global markets. It's not like that. And also they just made individuals sanctions to individuals three oligarch families of Russia has been their asset has been freezed. That was it. It was really short and weak for many people. After that one, the price of risky assets just jumped, rebounded, and safe havens started to decline. So let's start with the Bitcoin. As you can see here on the chart, it's just going up. It just it tested 36k level, which has tested earlier again. From the same level, it just jumped to first resistance. How it just happened? This one was really on the beginning of February. It was really high rise, and it didn't stop on that one. But right now it is struggling on 38k resistance level. So if we just see a pullback from here, something like this, probably it will be short-lived, and then it will just go up again, and then it will test 44k. Why I'm saying this one? If the conditions of the war or conflict just goes like this, because Putin in some way just got what he wanted. He wants just population. Just when you have time, please check the population of Russia. You will see that it has declined so fast from 148 levels to 141 in just 10 years until to Crimea annexation. Then with the people of Crimea, the population has jumped a bit more, and now it's declining again. They are losing around 1 million people deficit each year. That's the problem. So, and Europe also on the same verge, they are losing people as well. So they want to be most populated country of Europe. That's their biggest aim. They don't want to be weak against these countries. That's their aim. So after Donbass region and Luhansk region kind of migrating from those areas to Russia, their population will be higher. It will be easy for them to manage this population crisis. That's all they want, and that's what they are asking. So we will just watch more things, but if you ask me, it's over. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
All right, as you can see here, silver is just testing $24 level, and $24 level, if it cannot hold its gain, we can just expect to decline first to 23 and then $20 level. It's possible. Its most traded session a range will be just like this. We may see that one in coming days if the escalation goes like this. If it just goes worse, Of course, we can expect higher levels, but if you ask me, Putin has reached his goal, so it won't bother to go more war with Europe and some other things. They will just focus on something like that. We just recognize the independence of these regions, nothing more. We don't want any more trouble. They will say like that, but Western countries are just sanctioned also these regions. They won't make any trade with these regions. So people will just suffer and then they will immigrate to Russia. This is the final step of that one. Empty land and kind of getting surrounding Ukraine and Black Sea region and threatening to cut all the ties with Black Sea. That's the final plan, but it will take a lot of years to complete. We will just watch and see together. All right, let's look at our final chart. As you can see here, USD Japanese yen is just trading flat for these days and going up and down for recent months. But if you just check the recent months, like a recent month actually, the average is 115. It's going $1 one level up or $1 level down, but the average is here 115. Japan is asking these to continuation. Reason is they want devaluated level of Japanese yen to inflate their spending. They're still spending, but they have a problem with COVID these days. The cases and deaths are rising. That's really tough scenario for them. If this goes on there like this, we may see another rise in these currency pairs because they will just inject more money to support the economy. They are losing. They're really only spending and then the last generation. That's important. We will just watch together. As I have said, like Russia, Japan have that population crisis for years, for the last a lot of years, and it's the biggest trouble of this country. So if we just see more deaths, I'm expecting to these go up. Bank of Japan can just inject more money and deflate their money again. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news and then we will cover more charts with you. Have a nice day. Bye.